Hi guys, I'm Monique, and this is the Monique Show. This is the Monique Show,
because the real star is gone and she's substituting me. That's why.
And Monique was canceled. That's why we haven't posted.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'll have you begging on your knees for me. Cause when stop. Oh, you're scaring me. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Ann&Monique. Sorry we've been absent for a couple of Fridays, but it's okay because we're back and we're better.
Back and better than ever.
Too long to make it right, but I'll be damned if I wrong cause I cheated out of spite. I said you're wrong cause you cheated every night. If he a dog, I'm a dog too. If he a dog, I'm a dog too. If he a dog, I'm a dog too. You try to play me, but the joke's on you. If he a dog, I'm a dog too. If he I'm not your enemy. Oops, I think I'm in love. I fell above. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh! Ow, fucker!
You said it too. Oh, baby, how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh, baby,
I said from above.
how was I
Hit me,
supposed
baby, one more time. Oh my gosh, what? Yo, is she hell head? Oh, damn.
I'm pretty sure the camera wants me.
I think I'm in love. Woo. Oh! Ride me like a cowboy. Ride me so good, you gon' make me feel so great. Ride me, your grandma go. Something alright.
So B.
Stop! Monique, seriously, stop. That actually looked real. Fuck you. Oh my gosh. Oops, I think I'm in love. I fell from above, but I'm not that innocent. Guys are fucking dicks. Like, why the fuck do you even start something if you can't fucking finish it? It doesn't take that long to fucking message someone back. Shame. Pooh, I spit on you.
Oh my god, did you spit on the camera?
Motherfuckers trying to be nosy. I'm not done yet. Move. No.
Yeah.
People are so fucking nosy. If you want to know what the fuck I'm saying, come up to my motherfucking door, bitch. Like, ooh.
Seriously, stop.
No, she wasn't ready. No. 5 o'clock on the dot. I'm oh, damn. Look at the highlight.
It's you.
No, Monique. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're the singer.
Hey.
You're like the really good singer,
No,
huh?
you're a great singer too.
Stop it.
Let's do karaoke next week.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to karaoke next week. You'll be there?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Okay, then I'll see you. Okay, see you. Call me. I've had 2 first expectations. Why am I so gassy? I think it's the tortilla chips. Shit, I'm gonna get boils, dude.
That
And then you're gonna have to pop them. I'm not kidding.
You and me together through the days
Will you pop my
and
boils so
nights.
I know it's real?
I don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright.
Oh my god, this thing smells like rotten eggs.
People keep talking. They
Oh
can
my
say
God.
what they want. I don't worry. Living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, golden, golden. Living my life like it's golden, golden. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden, golden. She never wants to do anything fun. Like, she literally holds me hostage. Like, we're in our room right now, and she wouldn't let me leave.
Honey.
Way in the water, way in the water, children, way in the water. God's gonna trouble the water.
slow food. What time is it?
My house, my house, my house. My lovely lady loves in the baggage.
What was that?
What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that?
Don't leave me. Please don't leave me. This is why I said we need to turn on the lights. I'm peeing on myself. I'm peeing on myself. I'm peeing on. I'm peeing. Oh my god! I'm peeing on myself.
Don't leave you. Where am I gonna go? We're trapped in the corner.
I'm peeing on myself.
Is the door locked? Lock the door.
The door is on.
The video was so pointless.
Yeah.
It was. Please don't.
I'm squeezing my butt cheeks right now.
Okay, this video was probably super pointless.
But it's funny. I'm not picking my nose and fix my nose.
I don't think it was that funny, but like.
I thought it was funny.
Okay, well, that's because you're
The bigger
acting a
the
fool.
The bigger the hole. The bigger the hole.
You calling me a hoe?
If the shoe fits.
But you're talking about earrings, not shoes.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
We just want to say goodbye and that.
We love you.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This is really
Oh
good.
my gosh.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
This is really good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Oh my gosh.